In this video, I'll show you how to center collection titles on collection pages in Shopify DOM theme. As you can see in this example, by default, collection titles are left aligned. So in order to center them, we need to add the CSS rule. So to make this change, log into your Shopify admin account, then select Online Store. And now locate your active theme. In my case, it's DOM version 15.3.0, and then select Customize. Once the editor loads at the very top, click on Home page, and then select Collections, then click on Default Collection. Then on the left under Template, click on the Collection banner, and then expand the Custom CSS section. We're going to be adding the Custom CSS rule right in here, but at first let me go back to my website and get the class selector for the collection title. Let's right-click on it and then select Inspect. And the class selector is collection-hero_title. Perfect, so let's use that. Let's go back to the editor. Now let's type the following rule. Type period collection-hero_title. Open left and right curly braces. Place the cursor in between them, press enter. On the next line, type text-align, space, center, followed by semicolon. Once finished, just save the changes. Now let's go back to the website. Let's try refreshing the collection page. And as you can see, the collection title is centered, and this change will be reflected on other collections right over here. And finally, if you want to preview it on mobile, just simply right-click on the empty space, then select Inspect. Now let's switch to responsive design mode. And now let's select another device, such as Galaxy S20. And that's how the collection title will look like on mobile. So as usual, I hope you found this short tip helpful. If for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.